Fill in the blanks using proper words. Rubber made by vulcanization is a dash material. Artificial, hard. Man-made materials are made by dash natural materials. Processing. Dash thread was developed simultaneously in New York and London. Nylon. Rayon is also known as dash. Synthetic silk. Answer the following questions. Why did the need for man-made materials arise? The need for man-made materials arise due to the following reasons. It is human nature to strive for newer things and to try to make life more comfortable. As a result of his efforts, man not only learned to use natural substances but also began to process them to make new substances. Several such substances are easier to use and can be made available in plenty at a low cost. Which are the natural materials obtained from plants and animals? Leather, jute, wool, cotton, silk are the natural substances obtained from plants and animals. What is vulcanization? Vulcanization is the process in which rubber is heated with sulfur for 3 to 4 hours. To give hardness to the rubber, sulfur is mixed in it. The proportion of sulfur in the mixture is determined by the purpose for which the rubber will be used. Which natural materials are used to obtain fibers? The natural materials used to obtain fibers are cotton, jute, hemp, wool, and silk. What are we used for? Soil. Soil supports plant life and hence indirectly supports all living things. It is used for making clay pot, utensils, bricks, etc. Wood. Wood is used in paper industry. It is also used to make furniture. Nylon. Nylon is used to manufacture clothes, fishing nets, ropes, etc. Paper. Paper is used in our textbooks, notebooks, currency notes, etc. Rubber. Rubber is used in the manufacture of erasers, tires, rubber toys, rubber bands, etc. How is paper manufactured? Write in your own words. Coniferous trees like pine are used to make paper. The bark of the logs of these trees is first removed and the wood is broken into small pieces. The mixture of these pieces and some chemicals is kept soaking for a long time. It helps to form pulp. When the chemical process is completed, the fibrous substances from wood pulp are separated and some dyes are added. The pulp is then passed through rollers, dried to form paper, and finally wound on reels. Give scientific reasons. We must use cotton clothes in summer. During summer, we sweat more due to high temperature. Cotton clothes absorb sweat. Synthetic clothes are water repellent. They do not absorb sweat and we feel uncomfortable. Hence, we must use cotton clothes in summer. We must observe economy in the use of materials. Due to excessive use of natural substances by human beings to fulfill their needs, they are getting depleted at a faster rate. At the same time, it takes a very long time for these substances to get naturally formed again. Hence, we must observe economy in the use of materials so that they are available for the future generation also. Saving paper is the need of the hour. Saving paper means saving trees as wood is used as the raw material to manufacture paper. Trees are natural habitat for many living things. Trees help in increasing rainfall and water availability. Hence, saving paper helps in saving trees, which in turn maintains balance in nature. Man-made materials have more demand. Man-made substances are waterproof, lightweight, and easy for transportation. They are easier to use and can be made available in plenty at a low cost. Hence, there is more demand for man-made materials. Humus is a natural material. Humus is obtained from plant and animal wastes. Microorganisms act on these wastes and convert them into humus. Hence, humus is a natural material. Find out how is lac obtained from nature. Lac is a resinous substance secreted from the glands present in the skin of female lac insect. Lac insects live on the palash trees. In India, lac is mainly produced in the states of Rajasthan and Bihar. How are pearls obtained? Pearls are formed when a foreign particle, such as a grain of sand or a small particle of rock, accidentally enters the space between the mantle and shell of an oyster's body. Oysters cannot reject the particle, and as a defense mechanism, it produces a shining coating called nacre on the particle layer by layer. As the shiny layers get added, a pearl is formed. Cultured pearls are artificially formed by inserting a bead in oyster shell and allowed to coat it with nacre over several years. Can you tell what is the difference between these two groups of natural substances? Leather, jute, wool, cotton and water, soil, metals. Leather, jute, wool are biotic natural substances. Soil, water, metals are abiotic natural substances. How are leather and wool different from jute and cotton? Leather and wool are obtained from animals, whereas jute and cotton are substances of plant origin. Do you find plastic, nylon, brass, or cement in nature? No, these substances are man made. From which substances in nature can we get threads or fiber? We get threads and fibers from cotton, wool, jute, hemp, silk, etc. What are clothes made from? Clothes are made from fiber.